Sai Ram children, hope you all are fine. Now today I am here again with one more drawing video. Yes, before this also I've taught you some nice drawings and you have done it very well. Yes, now today I am going to teach you Rangoli. Now I'm dead sure all of you know what Rangoli is. Yes, you can see a nice picture of a Rangoli. Right. Now I will tell you what Rangoli is. Rangoli is an art form originated in the Indian subcontinent in which patterns are created on the floor or the ground using powdered materials such as colored rice, colored sand or flower petals. It is usually made during Diwali, Onam, Pongal and other Hindu festivals. So now children, which festival is coming? Yes, Diwali. Yes, so Diwali we are all going to have fun, right? And I'm sure all of you must have observed that your mother makes rangoli, right? Just in front of your house. Yes, so this time teacher is going to teach you one rangoli, and if possible try to make that same rangoli on Diwali, right? And if you have done it, you send me pictures so that I can see how beautifully you have done it. Okay, so now children, I'll show you some different types of rangolis. This is a peacock rangoli. There is one more rangoli on the occasion of Diwali. This is rangoli different type at Chennai, and one is Sankranti Mukku with flowers. This rangoli is done with the flowers. Again one more rangoli with flowers. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. One more design with powdered colors. Some more. This is during Diwali. Yes. So these are different types of rangolis I have shown you, and now we are going to be learning one simple design of rangoli which you can make, right? So all of you, you've got your drawing books. Yes, so take it out, be ready with your drawing books, be ready with your pencil, eraser and your colors and black sketch pen. I have already told you before also that for outlining you need black sketch pen, right? So all of you are ready with your books? Should we start? Yes. Open a new page. Yes. Yes. This is the page. As every time you do, you first make a border on all the four sides. And today what are we going to draw? Rangoli, Rangoli, Rangoli. So just write it, and you can write the date also, whichever day you have done it, right? So have you done this much? But children, be very careful. These lines should be done with a scale. Now you have to practice, right? After that we have to make a square, and see that you make the square in the center of the page, and the size I will not tell you you can do according to your convenience, but try to make a big one. Don't make very small, right? So, have you made a square? Now square has all four sides same. So all the four sides should be same. So after the square, again inside we have to make a diamond. So take the center of all the four lines and make this diamond with the help of a pencil and scale. Alright. This much done? Very good. It is very easy. You can make it. Not a problem. Now, first the square was done, then diamond, then again we have to make one small square inside that. Again you take the center of all the lines of the diamond and make it, right? So 1, 2, 3 we have already done. Yes. So which is the occasion for which we are drawing? Diwali. Yes. So we can make a diya in the center with a simple shape, that is the triangle. So just make a triangle inside the small square and make the flame also. Double flame, the way teacher has done it. Do it slowly, there is no hurry, and do it very neatly. So we are done with this much. After this, we are going to make 4 more diyas on all the 4 corners. So start making the diyas and try to make all the 4 diyas of the same size. So there will be a symmetry and the design will look very nice. Right? Done, children? Now the design is done. So we did with the pencil. Now you pick up your sketch pen, black sketch pen, and start doing it. Do the outlining with black sketch pen. Slowly, it should be very neat. Done? So now our design is ready. Now what are we going to do? Should we leave it like this? No. We are going to color it. So you already have your colors with you. So be ready with it. Now take out red color and color all the diyas red. Yes. So you can see red color. So color all the diyas red. I have done it red. If you want to change it, it's your choice. But if you want to do like teacher, you can do it. Now with red color we have completed all the 5 diyas. 4 diyas on the corner and 1 diya in the middle. Now we are going to color the flame. So the outside part we will do with orange color. Take out orange color and color it with orange. Yes, and the inside of the flame we will do it with yellow color. Which color? Yellow color, right. So done. This much done, children. Now we'll color more. Yes. Now you take out peach color or skin color and color the inside square. Color the inside square with it. Done. Do it very neatly, and remember, as I have told you before also, you have to do in one direction and see that white paper is not seen at all. Right? Neatly do it. Slowly and neatly. Now pick up pink color. Which color? Pink color. Yes. And color the diamond with pink color. Yes. With which color? Pink color. Done that much? Very good. Isn't it looking nice? Beautiful? You are going to make? Yes. So now we pick up light green color, padded green color. Yes, and color the big square. The space is there. Complete that with what? Green color. Which color? Green color. Isn't it looking beautiful? Yes. So now your rangoli is complete. Your rangoli is complete. Now in the background you can pick up yellow color and do the background so that it looks beautiful. And whenever you are doing the background, try to do it with a flat crayon like this, right? Yes. So it is giving an effect of floor. Rangolis we make it on floor, but here we are doing it in the drawing book. So children, with this the rangoli design is over, and I'm dead sure you will do it very nicely in your drawing books, and if possible before Diwali just try to do and make this rangoli outside your house. You can tell your mummy will help you, or your brother or sister, anyone, they can help you. And if possible, if you've done it, please do send some pictures, share it, so we all will be happy about it. So happy Diwali, all of you children. Be safe, play nicely and enjoy. There is one more rangoli design I've just shared with you. Right. And with this, thank you once again. Sai Ram children.